The comparison of mindset of Poor Dad with Rich Dad will change your approach towards education, money, and success, as highlighted by Robert Kiyosaki. See it yourself and decide your future. Poor Dad advocated to study hard so you can get a good job or a good company to work for. However, Rich Dad advised to study hard so that you can become good professional and find a good company to buy. Poor Dad always said, "I cannot afford it," whereas Rich Dad said, "How can I afford it?" Poor Dad advised to play safe once it comes to money, and Rich Dad always said, "Learn to manage risk." Poor Dad always struggled to save few dollars, whereas Rich Dad created investments. Poor Dad taught to write a good resume or CV to get a good job, whereas Rich Dad advised to write a good business and financial plan so as to create jobs. Both paid the bill before due date. Rich Dad paid first and Poor Dad paid last. Moreover, Poor Dad always discouraged, whereas Rich Dad encouraged talking about money on dinner table. In short, the comparison between Poor Dad and Rich Dad encapsulates contrasting mindset towards money, education, and success. So make your choice today and study to understand how money works and how can it work for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press like button and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you could get more motivational videos. Please feel free to comment or share.